Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're diving deep into the world of AI tools today. Things are moving fast. We've got a ton to cover, from Google's Gemini to xAI's Grok and beyond, so buckle up. These tools aren't just futuristic concepts anymore. They're here, they're powerful, and they're changing the way we work, create, and even think. Today we'll explore how these cutting-edge applications are transforming our personal and professional lives. Let's get started with Google's Gemini. Alright, first up, we've got Google's Gemini. This isn't just another AI. Google is really pushing the boundaries here. Gemini is all about what they call native thinking capabilities. Now, what does that even mean? Basically, it's designed to understand information and context like never before. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just follow commands, it actually processes information, learns from it, and comes up with its own insights. Right now, access to the most advanced Gemini models is still experimental, but trust me, the early glimpses are seriously impressive. And the best part, Gemini is deeply integrated with the entire Google ecosystem. Think about it: Google Search, Google Assistant, Workspace. All of that powered by this incredibly smart AI. So, whether you're researching a topic, writing an email, or just organizing your day, Gemini is working behind the scenes to make things smoother and more intuitive. One of the coolest things about Gemini is its customizable gems. These are like specialized AI modules that you can tailor to your specific needs. Google is really pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, and Gemini is at the forefront of that innovation. Next up, we're jumping into the world of xAI with Grok. Now, if you're active on X, formerly known as Twitter, Grok is about to become your new best friend. See, Grok isn't just another standalone AI, it's deeply integrated with the entire X platform. That means it has access to real-time information, trending topics, and all the conversations happening at this very moment. But here's where things get really interesting. Grok has a distinct personality, and I'm not just talking about a pre-programmed voice or tone. Grok is designed to be witty, engaging, and even humorous at times. It's like having a conversation with a really well-informed friend who also happens to have a great sense of humor. And unlike some AIs that can feel a bit robotic or repetitive, Grok keeps things fresh and surprising. Now, when it comes to finding information, Grok is all about truth-seeking. It's designed to cut through the noise and provide you with the most accurate and reliable information possible. No more sifting through endless search results or questioning the validity of what you're reading. Grok does the heavy lifting for you. Let's shift gears now and talk about Anthropic's Claude. This AI is all about ethical considerations. We're talking about an AI that's not just smart but also responsible, unbiased, and transparent in its decision-making. Anthropic calls this approach constitutional AI, and it's a really fascinating concept. The idea is to build AI systems that are aligned with human values from the ground up, so you don't have to worry about unintended consequences or biases creeping in. Now, one of Claude's superpowers is its ability to process long documents. We're talking about research papers, legal documents, even entire books. Claude can handle it. It can summarize key points, extract relevant information, and even answer complex questions based on the content. And if you're working on a project with others, Claude's Artifacts feature is a game changer. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about an AI that's deeply integrated into a world many of us use every day. Microsoft's Copilot. If you're living that Microsoft 365 life, this is huge. We're talking Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. Copilot is right there with you every step of the way. Need to draft a presentation, analyze data in a spreadsheet, or just manage your inbox more efficiently? Copilot is like having an AI assistant who's already mastered the entire Microsoft Office suite. But here's the kicker. Copilot doesn't just live within those apps. It's also connected to the vast knowledge base of the internet through Bing. That means you can get real-time information, research, and insights without ever leaving your workflow. Imagine you're writing a report in Word, and you need some quick facts or statistics. Just ask Copilot, and it'll pull in the latest information from the web, seamlessly integrated into your document. And if you need even more specialized help, Copilot offers these cool things called role-based agents. These are AI assistants that are trained for specific tasks or industries. So, whether you're a marketer, a salesperson, or a project manager, there's a Copilot agent who speaks your language and understands your needs. Chapter 5. Alright, let's talk about the OG, the one that really brought AI into the mainstream, OpenAI's ChatGPT. This thing is incredibly versatile. We're talking about writing different kinds of creative content, translating languages, answering your questions in an informative way, even generating different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. One of the things that makes ChatGPT so powerful is its ability to adapt to different writing styles and tones. You can tell it to write something in a formal tone, a casual tone, even a humorous tone, and it just nails it. It's like having a team of writers at your disposal, each with their own unique voice and expertise. And the best part? OpenAI is constantly developing new and improved versions of ChatGPT. We're talking about models that are even more creative, more coherent, and more capable of understanding complex instructions. But here's where things get really interesting: plugins and custom GPTs. Imagine taking the power of ChatGPT and tailoring it to your specific needs. The possibilities are truly limitless. Chapter 6. Now, for all the creators and visual learners out there, we have to talk about Canva. Canva has always been amazing for making design accessible to everyone, but with their AI-powered tools, it's like they've leveled up the entire game. Their drag-and-drop interface is already super intuitive, even if you've never considered yourself a designer. But now, with features powered by AI, you've got this whole other level of creativity at your disposal. Canva's library of design resources is already massive, right? We're talking templates, stock photos, illustrations, videos, the works. But with AI, it's like this library becomes infinitely larger. Need a specific type of image or graphic, just describe it to Canva's AI and it can generate it for you, often in seconds. And then there's Magic Studio. Chapter 7. Amazon Alexa, the AI that listens and learns. Okay, let's talk about an AI that's become a familiar voice in many of our homes: Amazon Alexa. Of course, we know Alexa for its convenience. Playing music, setting timers, controlling smart home devices, it's become the go-to voice assistant for millions of people. But what's really exciting is how Alexa is evolving with the power of generative AI. Amazon has been working on this new generation of Alexa, powered by large language models, and it's a game changer. This isn't just about setting reminders or telling you the weather anymore. We're talking about having more natural, intuitive conversations with Alexa. You can ask it complex questions, have it summarize news articles for you, even have it help you brainstorm ideas or write stories. And because Alexa is integrated with Amazon's vast ecosystem, it can access information from your calendar, your shopping lists, your music library, and so much more. Chapter 8. OpenAI's Dall-E, where imagination meets AI. Alright, let's dive into the world of AI-generated art with OpenAI's Dall-E. This is some next-level stuff. Basically, you give Dall-E a text description, no matter how wild or specific, and it generates an image based on that description. And I'm not talking about simple clip art here. These are high-quality, detailed images that often look like they were created by a human artist. And here's what's really impressive. Dall-E doesn't just understand the literal words in your prompt. It understands concepts, styles, and even emotions. You can tell it to create an image in the style of a particular artist, or with a certain mood or atmosphere, and it just gets it. One of my favorite things about Dall-E is how seamlessly it integrates with ChatGPT. Let's say you're working on a creative project and you need both written and visual content. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and generate text, and then feed those ideas directly into Dall-E to create accompanying images. It's like having a brainstorming partner and a visual artist all rolled into one. But Dall-E doesn't stop there. Chapter 9. WhatsApp familiar app, powerful AI. Okay, who uses WhatsApp? Yeah, that's what I thought. It's everywhere. And while you might not think of WhatsApp as an AI tool in the same way as some of the others we've talked about, trust me, there's a lot going on beneath the surface. Meta, the company behind WhatsApp, has been quietly integrating some seriously powerful AI into this messaging app that billions of people use every day. First and foremost, WhatsApp is all about privacy and security. They were one of the first major messaging apps to offer end-to-end encryption, meaning that your messages are only visible to you and the person you're talking to. No one else, not even WhatsApp itself, can read your messages. And that commitment to privacy extends to their AI features as well. Meta AI is being used in a lot of cool ways within WhatsApp. For starters, it's powering a lot of the contextual assistance you've probably come to rely on. Think about things like smart replies, which suggest quick responses to messages, or sticker suggestions, which surface relevant stickers based on your conversation. Chapter 10. The future of AI is here. So there you have it, a look at some of the most powerful and innovative AI tools out there right now. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top AI tools of today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. And let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited about.